how to make your first $500 to $1,000 per day with high-ticket affiliate marketing. Now, if you're on ClickBank or MaxWeb or any other network, there are some high-ticket, like $500 commissions or $2,000 commissions affiliate offers, right? Which you can promote. Now, most of gurus teach you the wrong way. Why? Because you have to understand you have low ticket and high ticket and mid ticket range. This is all pricing, right? But the way you sell or promote these products will depend if you get a sale or not get a sale. If you waste money on Facebook or Google ads or lose money on those ads, right? So you have to remember, you have to make your ads different when you're promoting high ticket offers, right? Now on Facebook, of course, you can target people by how much money they make per month, like their day job, 9 to 5, right? Their interest level. But you have to understand, ads are there to make people get into the problem state, and your ClickFunnels landing page or pre-sale page gets them to the solution state. Okay, so you have to solve the pains and problems by offering them a good, high-quality solutions to the human, right? Now, no AI voices or softwares will do the job for you. What you have to understand is language patterns that you're using on your ads and sales copy on pre-sale page. Why I can make over, as I'm going to show in other videos, $30,000 a month with high ticket affiliate marketing and low ticket affiliate marketing, or $50,000 per month or more, because I understand audience very well, right? I understand the time I understand the language, I understand the targeting, I also understand what they respond to, right? So all this matters when it comes to affiliate marketing. Now you do need to have someone who help you along the way step by step. Why? Because you have to understand, webinars will not do the selling for you. You can see video sales letters, VSLs. People don't have time to watch 45 minutes to 3 hours long webinars, right? They are smart enough. Market awareness is very, very aware right now in 2024, right? People are aware. They know what is happening. They know that at the end you will offer them to sell, to buy something on the webinars. So it doesn't work. So what works is you have to have only one thing. All you have to do is you have to understand your audience very well. And by that, I mean, you also need to have someone, a mentor or coach, someone who will help you step by step, one-on-one along the way. Connect with you over the Zoom call, phone call, give you the support you need in order to make $10,000 to $30,000 per month, which is doable. Look, people are buying stuff online, right? They're buying even technology online, they're buying courses online, they're buying different, let's say, technological products, software. So we have approved people are buying online. But what you have to do is you have to understand marketing, your market, your language patterns that you're using on your landing page. So in order for that, if you want to get results, you can connect with me one-on-one after watching this video. So just subscribe to my YouTube channel. And below this video, you're going to find links to my social media accounts where you can connect with me on Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, email. All this is below in the description. So let me know and I can help you to get the results with high ticket affiliate marketing.